Bravo 1 ending bunker, Airsoft out.
We're back!
Welcome to Talvera. We're happy to have you.
Bravo section, bring your arm!
We're moving! Hey! There we go. Potential contact behind the armory! Take your mag out of your rifle or pistol. Drop the rifle! Hit!
In response to the distress signal from Talvera's government, United Kingdom Special Forces have been deployed. Their mission is twofold: to liberate the town from the grasp of the Nightfall Legion and to uncover the secrets hidden within Legion's stronghold. UKSF operatives are primed for the challenge, ready to confront an adversary unlike any they've faced before.
Left off the road.
Down there!
Is that front?
Stop.
Yep, back up.
Are you taking contact? Bravo section! Bravo section on me! Bravo what?
Oh! Jeez, fucking. Oh, fuck me. Contact front. We're falling back. Falling back.
Right, medic! On me!
Auckland call signs, we've got friendlies in embassy, over.
Right, we're gonna go.
I'm Brad.
Bravo, Brad, go!
Behind you.
Moving.
Go through, I'll cover you. Go.
Bravo, make entry.
Going in. Fucking hell. Oh, my gloves are soaked.
That man walking. I want you over to pub. Get a perimeter down. Let the rest of the task force move.
You ready?
Bravo, come Friendly. Get out of the fucking area.
Go!
Rifle, Bravo, go. Post up there.
Roger.
Post up there. You're a bit exposed.
Yeah, it's fine.
Get up to that post up.
We have a pack of really angry stuff for moving between med center and pub. Your eyes out.
No! I am ready to hit! You can! Motherfucker!
You know what? You point that gun at me, you see what happens.
Don't worry, I'm not.
Your family wish to come. What is your problem?
What? Am I good? All right, mate, just watch that area because there was contacts down there. Right, moving.
Yeah. 0.
Oh, there we go. We got civvies.
I'm better staying on 0 net. I know I've got to flick between them.
Oh my god, a bloody baby frog.
Crazy frog.
Crazy frog. Shut up.
Russ, get a sit rep. What just happened?
Russ, there's a sit rep! Bravo section, move your ass!
We're moving!
3 down at HQ, civilian IED, took them out.
Just need perimeter.
What? Not like always on the rifle front.
Shit! Pub! That's in pub! That's in pub! On you, on you. Yep, confirm pub.
Hits!
Get out, get out.
Get in!
Grenade! Hit!
Hit!
Hey, you bastard.
So from all that confusion, one of our sections ended up getting trapped behind enemy lines. So it was our job to go and find them.
Oh, fuck me. Hey.
Count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Fucking hell, thanks, mate.
Bravo, move the car flight, there's an element here needing our assistance.
No, that's...
Take him out, fucking drop him.
No, he's not got a fucking weapon. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, contact front.
Front! Contact front! Contact front, right.
One down. One more.
Get those guys to fucking drive. Run! Go. On your pass, I'll put fire.
Come on! Move it! Move it! Get down! Get down! Get down!
Yeah, contact front.
They brought back the guy I hit.
All call signs, this is 0.
Go. I'm trying to see.
Converge back to HQ, break contact, break contact.
Bravo section, drop back.
Yeah.
You count, get us spread out. That's okay. Then I'll get on next 0.
Nice.
Cool.
Spread out.
Apparently we've got a civilian coming down bringing
Is that him?
a prisoner they've got.
Nope.
A
They've
prisoner?
got that for as a prisoner.
Okay.
Apparently they just charged us a little bit of money. They're going to come bring us one down now to interrogate.
I'd like an interrogation.
Alright.
Whether or not they're telling the truth, I don't know. I was hit, so I didn't get to make the fucking truth.
Yeah, I'll take the rubbish pole.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Hey. We've got potential contact behind the armory. Contact down.
What's your right?
What's my right? I'm checking. Clear.
Get him, Mr. President, bring him up. De-arm him.
Right, mate. Right, mate. Take your gun out. Just make sure your mag's out.
Bring him out.
Take that out for us.
Oh, yeah.
Judge, don't want to lose that.
Right, mate. There you go.
I'm not doing anything daft, don't worry.
Alright, come on, mate. Mate, take your mag out, your rifle, or your pistol. Decock it. Okay, cool.
I don't do Jamie. I do take the prisoners.
No, we can't. We got a new friend.
Is he a prisoner?
Yeah, he was behind the armory.
We're going out, we're on
Right.
back up.
Back up, guys.
Yeah, back up.
Somebody, you can have them.
Ah, fuck. Here.
Why am I fucking towering behind her?
Wait, hold.
Put the weapon on the ground! Put the weapon on the ground! Lads, get the fuck up! We made a deal. We made a deal with you.
We did make a deal.
Guns down. This is our deal. Space it, lads. That's enough. That's enough. Walking, facing.
He's a medic.
Get them hands up. We're teaming as a threat. One more step. Rush.
Move back!
Get the fuck back. Casualty. Here's back. Smoke front. Get smoke front. Shot, fight through! 5 minutes, fight through, contact! Dead. What do we do? Take it back, take it.
Fucking hell. Lads!
Drop that gun!
Drop the rifle!
Hey, stop! Stay where you are! Stop moving! On your knees! Got intel! On your knees! Lie down, face down! Lie down, face down! Lie down! Get on the fucking ground! Do not shoot him! Not a chance! Do not shoot him!
Friendlies on the right!
Drop your intel, hands behind your back! Roger,
Christian, cover him. Luke,
yeah, Roger.
watch up there, bud. I know you can't get, just watch up there, bud.
Got you covered. A couple points to
Make sure you watch the windows as well,
lads. UKSF on my free kick. Just
Smoke in a beat. Now it's just a smoke.
No, it's an improvised explosive device.
Is it?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Okay. We need to get to embassy, so we need to go through here.
Bravo, get inside.
Apparently we're charging C5 right now. Grenade! Fuck. Two down!
We're inside med block.
I killed the guy throwing the bangers. Oh, what's going on? I won't be surprised if we didn't. I'm going across.
I think we're the only people at fucking med block. Where's everyone?
Hit! Ow. I'm dead, man.
Good shot, boys.
Good shit, lads. Go on, we're dead, man.
Yep, dead man.
Dead man walking. Fuck. Jesus. Dead man coming out.
On your right, on your right, on your right.
Yep.
Move, get the medic, go on.
Out
of the two
yeah, right side.
Right hand side at the very end.
Yeah, very deep.
Left hand side, very end, also.
Yep, I see him.
Right now, on the left side of there.
Hey! 3, 2, 1. Gonna push the right building. How's it looking on your side? Go. Ready?
I'm going second.
I'm going to throw another one.
Yeah.
There's my grenade down there somewhere.
Go. Crossing. Going.
I'm dead!
Fuck me. Windows.
This is all guys, mate.
Oh, it's ours.
Yeah.
Friendlies. That's friendlies out the window shooting us.
I'm still fucking dead, you moron!
Ready? Ready? 3.
Yeah. Now, down mountain in the corridor.
Mid block clear! Clear! 2, 1.
Blue 440 in empty. Over.
We can go round D5, round the back.
Careful right here because that's bunker. They got windows directly on us. Fuck this.
Bravo 1 to Bravo Secretary. Got back to building Delta 5. Over.
Yes.
Got a map here. Here.
Good man. Continue to bunker.
Right, listen. We're here.
Yes.
Bunker's literally right there. We're literally right next to each other. If we go upstairs, those windows, all the windows facing that way is bunker.
Okay. Going down. Stairs.
Hold. Doorway on the left.
Go.
The hill and get to the door.
Purse?
The windows on there.
Stop, Jet, right.
Let's go.
Go. Moving.
Keep moving.
Check fire for friendlies in the building.
Wish the radio stay quiet. We don't want another comment. Hello, this is Bravo 1. Bravo 1 entering bunker. Empon. Out.
On you. One down.
UK. Oh, hostage.
Yeah.
We banged the hostage.
Get your grenade.
My grenade.
Oh.
Hostage is coming!
Keep going. Any of you got a direct line to 0?
Drive.
Yeah? He's gone off on a mission. We need to get him back.
Oh, fuck's sake!
Oh, fuck me. Go, pull back. Get out of the range, Let's just move.
Be advised we're making contact with the pub.
Hit! Come on! Can't fucking see.
Down. Do you have a med kit?
I'll just use the red run band. Oh fucking hell! I love getting smoked out. Got him. No, he said he fucking hit his barrel. Got him. Tango down, tango down. Okay, boss is coming in. Copy.
Unsecure right. Mark, dead space. Who's in the next room on our right front, these?
Hopefully.
I've got my fucking phone, I looked up, I see the shadow on there. Civilians with firearms.
Friendly at the end.
Hey?
Friendly.
Oh. Almost, brother.
Almost.
Fuck it!
Ah, shit.
That's why you tapped me on the fucking head. What?
Dude,
Concentrate.
I was concentrating.
No, you fucking weren't. You were trying to fuck me in the arse.
You were trying to fuck me up. Yeah, I was.
You spat.
So with nighttime arriving, we attempt to covertly scout their base. Little did we know, they had nods. We did not.
With you on the left. Yeah. Shit. Fuck, grenade! No grenade?
Smoke, is it? Smoke. Smoke.
It's probably found out that Rustful fucked off 2 hours ago. We've just had Insertions.
In before. Fucking hell. Get that light off us.
Go.
Fuck. Nice.
Yeah, well, yeah.
What's the sketch with the torches across there, like? Whiskey! Boom! Check, check. Who we got? Who we got?
Who are they fighting now?
Some, I don't know.
Should we help them? Should we go white light now?
Switch sides.
That's fucking rear. That was fucking rear. Oh, hit! The fuck was that?
Don't like putting my
Was that the predator noises?
Walk slowly. Don't drag your feet. And just listen to sounds.
Hit! Hit!
We're still going.
He's hit.
I'm here.
He's hit. That was a trade,
Definitely get him first, but I'll take it if you want.